cursive E. Starting up here at the top with a little loop, bump, little loop, bump, and tail. Little loop, bump, loop, bump, and tail. So similar to what we talked about with the C, how you can't really see the tail, but you can see how it's a straight line to connect into the next letter. Little loop, bump, little loop, bump, and tail. Take it all the way across. Okay, we talked about this with the letter B as well, where this type style that I'm using, there's a lot of loops. I like to do the loops. I think it's fun, I think it looks great. But if you do not want to do those extra loops, that's perfectly fine. You can take those out, which means it's just a straight line and around. Okay, so on to lowercase e. Starting halfway between the dotted line and the baseline, it's a little loop, bump, tail. Little loop, bump, tail. Little loop, bump, tail. Really take your time. Cursive E.